Hey guys, it's Dima from Tech. So do you remember our last video about the Samsung Galaxy SmartTag Plus? And I told you something is kind of strange in that video, right? Well, here is what happened. So let's take a few steps back first of all, and let's talk about AI. No, I'm not going to talk too much about AI, how it will change the world or anything, not into that. Actually, I'm not even sure how useful it is right now, though you are the ones to judge this here. Anyways, the last video, basically, as you know, I never almost write any scripts for my videos or anything. I usually just write a few points and that's it. And even that I don't really do all the time. I just go on with it and that's it, just roll. And last week the video was actually pretty much scripted, but not by me. Actually what I did is use the pretty well known by now ChatGPT, the chat by OpenAI, which is an AI pretty much. And yeah, this is a quite amazing chat, I would say, an AI bot, however you want to call it. It can actually do pretty cool things. So, for example, for my work, I actually once asked it to write a script, a PowerShell script that will install a few tools that I need for work. And it did write the script. It did write it perfectly. But there was a problem. It couldn't understand that one of the tools that I asked it to install had to be first of all downloaded, and though I did ask specifically for it, it decided that the other tool that actually can download different tools, if it is already pre-installed, it can sort of download it from its repository. But that's not what I needed, and it kept trying to do that no matter how much I asked it to not do that, not use it, separate scripts or anything, nothing else. So yeah, it wrote a pretty good script in no time, but it wasn't useful for me, to be honest. And yeah, I could use maybe part of it and just change it or something, but I decided to go on my own and that's it. Anyways, the ChatGPT pretty much can sort of argue for you. For example, I actually did a small joke. My friend didn't get a job offer that he really wanted, and he got sort of automatic mail that they decided to continue with our candidate. So I asked ChatGPT to write an email for them, a humoristic mail on why they should reconsider it. And it was actually a pretty funny and good mail, I would say. Actually, I dared him to send it, but yeah, he didn't. But anyways. And one other thing that I saw, quite a few YouTubers, actually MKBHD already did that as well, is ask ChatGPT to write a video script, and that's what we did last week. The Samsung SmartTag Plus, almost the whole video, I pretty much asked ChatGPT write a Tech video for the Samsung SmartTag Plus review, and keep in mind the difference between a SmartTag Plus and a SmartTag regular, and that's what he did. And that's pretty much what you watched. So yeah, if it looked like I'm reading a script or something, and if it looked weird because my attention to details is a little bit different from our face and from that video, that's the reason. So now you know what happened. And yeah, I actually encourage you to actually go to ChatGPT and try it yourself. Try to speak with it. Try to just ask for, I don't know, scripts or whatever you want, whatever you need. It might be a hard question, it might be a math question, it might be pretty much anything. And yeah, it seems that AI is getting kind of stronger in our world. I'm not sure where it's going, but to be honest, actually, there's another AI that I've been using for a few videos lately, and it's Adobe AI actually, which edits audio. And basically the audio that you're hearing now went through its edit, and basically it's just supposed to improve the quality of the sound. So if I have echo in my room, which I do, as you probably listened in the past, and if I have not a very good microphone or something not exactly correct in my voice, actually I'm a little bit sick right now, and yeah, that will pretty much try and fix it to the most optimal audio as possible. And actually I must admit, it does a pretty great job. Now, there are different types of AI. You probably heard about DALL-E, which I also tried once. honestly, I didn't find any real use for this, and I'm not into generate some artistic art or something. It's not my thing, but yeah, it's all mostly cool, and it's a quite interesting thing to play with, and I actually encourage you to do that as well. But I wouldn't say that I found any use for that one. ChatGPT, on the other hand, even Microsoft is trying to implement it in its Bing search, and yeah, is this the end of the world like someone wrote? I don't think so, but Google probably should do something as well with a chat AI or something, because all the others are doing it, and even if it won't be really useful, I guess we will want to be on that trend wagon or whatever. And yeah, that's honestly my opinion. But yeah, that's pretty much about what happened on the last video about ChatGPT. Cool thing, go on, try it yourself, and I hope you'll be amazed at what it can do, and maybe you'll find an interesting use. Anyways, write in the comments what do you think about the last video, what did you think happened, or did it actually seem like a good idea to use ChatGPT for that or not? And see you in the next one.
Thank you for watching this Linus Tech episode. If you enjoyed this video, click the subscribe button and hit the bell so you won't miss any future video. And I'll see you on the next one.